Hi guys, welcome back to KMJL family. Today it's another mukbang and this is our dinner for tonight. So we'll start to show you the food. So this is pancit, of course. This is spring roll and that's romaine lettuce.
And
this one is steamed fried chicken.
Okay,
and sweet potato. And then mushroom. Then yung ginawa kong sausawan, sili, onion, and suka.
And
our dessert?
Our dessert is, we have fresh fruits, okay? And then we have also the turon, okay? Turon. So we will start again and we're so hungry, okay? So join us, please.
Kain na tayo. Sabay tayo, guys.
Okay, you start. What you want?
I'm gonna start with spring rolls.
Alright. I want start the pancit. I know we already cooked this before. Niluto na namin noon, okay? Pero namisulit namin. Alam mo naman tayong mga Pilipino, never stop pancit. Okay.
This is our new plates.
Yeah.
Mahanghang na suka.
Do you want pancit? Do you want pancit?
Yes.
Here, give it there. Right.
Kuha ko nito. Favorite.
Wow. Nice.
Saka spring roll.
There.
Yes, may init-init pa.
Oh, here.
Oh yeah, I want chicken.
Chicken there, chicken. Cut in the chicken. This.
For me.
May init-init pa tong chicken, guys.
Bite of the day. For me.
I will eat the wings. Okay?
Got crunch.
Let's stir.
Okay?
Thanks, bro.
And Lexter loves romaine lettuce. That's it.
Yeah.
Sit down, Daddy. So,
Yummy.
yeah.
Yung fried chicken kasi idea ko lang yon. Yung mga iba kasi iba yung ginagawa. Ako ay tanlad at saka bay leaves. At saka whole black pepper. At saka linagyan ko rin ng stuffing dito ng ganon, parehas din yung nilagay ko sa pag-steam. Kaya may lasa siya.
Okay. Homemade spring rolls. Okay? Yeah. Homemade.
Crunchy.
Biglaan ko lang to kasi hindi namin maisip kung anong lulutuin namin. So, so sour.
I'm gonna try that.
Turon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is, but
No, it's nice.
Pakagat ng sili para lumakas ako kumain.
this is so good.
We have the fried mushroom. Sweet potato. Sweet potato.
Hot.
I want more pancit. Never stop pancit. Or noodles.
Every mukbang, I always get romaine lettuce. Whenever there is lettuce.
I know, it's
Whatever.
nice. To be with the chicken.
It's good with anything.
That's
Except
true.
for,
So,
solid.
to us, still hot. And maybe we'll try the pancit in the lettuce.
I reckon that's good.
Oh. Kain lang ng kain kami.
Malutong pa itong ano niya, pakpak na eh.
So another day, another food.
Sarap itong ano, spring roll.
Wow.
Tapos yung sausawan. Sarap. Yung sausawan. Good. Mushroom. Ano?
Potato wedges.
Sweet potato. More chicken. Want more chicken? Did you get the other?
I'm fine. But you need more chicken.
I know. So yeah.
I can't wait to try the dessert.
I know the fresh. Yep. With matching, what do I call it?
Pancit, pangpahaba ng buhay, kaya pag nagmukbang kami, panay pansit para umaba. Umaba yung buhay namin. Kayo din. Luto kayo ng pansit everyday para ano? Everyday happy. Everyday alive. Another.
No rice po kami. No rice. Another lumpia. Vegetable lumpia. So parang weird, you know. Mila, they move here a bit just in case you'll not be. Same.
Yummy.
Chicken.
Wow.
Okay rin.
A lot. Wow. Look at that.
Masarap pag may sweet chili. Pala. This one. Yummy?
Yeah. Oh.
And then, mamaya masarap matulog kasi busog na busog. Yeah. Dito.
Dexter na ipalabas sa TV nung ano kahapon.
Just cool.
Can you tell us what's that?
after I swap.
This is, ano po to? Gulaman. Sagot gulaman. There. Taste that one, Ben. That's nice.
Good.
I will share. Kamayin ko na lang. Ano ba?
So, the reason why I was on the news or UTV, well, there's this website you could see where you could see me or our whole class. It's called UTV. Yeah, just UTV.
News?
Yeah.
On YouTube?
No.
No?
Google. Yeah, we won the accelerated reading.
Why does the UTV go to your school?
We won the award of the best school of accelerated reading.
Yay!
Yes.
Big hand!
Accelerated reading. Of P6. So,
Only our classes filmed. It took 1 hour. For real.
Mushroom?
Me too.
Yummy, guys.
Yan. So, working tomorrow again, okay? And thank you also yung mga nag-subscribe po, ha? So, thank you very much. So, please count on me. So, thank you. Yung mga di pa nagsusubscribe at gusto yung channel namin at you think na okay lang, so paki-subscribe po, ha? And keep on watching our videos. Sagot gulaman. So, and Turon with Yan. Turon na may purple yan sa loob. Yan o. Konti lang. Ito po yung dessert namin o.
Naimas mo ti Pancit kabsat. Mamon tayo din.
Turon. Homemade. All homemade po, ha.
Ngayon lang yan.
All homemade.
Kasi linuto ko pa yung yung mga vegetables. Tapos nag-wrap pa kami. Ginawang spring roll, nagprito pa.
Lahat. No.
Tapos in-steam ko yung manok. Tapos prinito ko ulit. Tapos gumawa ako ng fruit salad. Kasi gumawa ng pancit.
Only pancit lang ako, pang pancit.
Ito, pineapple, oh, buo. Nilagay ko dyan para mas magandang tignan.
How about
Malan
you?
tayo.
Yeah.
Sushi.
No more?
I'll try the banana.
Banana,
Turon. Turon.
homemade po lahat. Yan, tama na, no? It's just,
Turon.
and then I want salad, eh. I want that salad. Fruit salad.
No.
Oh. How about you, Lexter?
Yes. I'm 100% almost finished.
Mamaya kakainin ng mga bata itong chicken.
Baka hindi namin maubos. Serve nyo kami, please.
Let's just say I'm finished.
You're done?
Salad.
I don't know what's this.
Look at him, oh.
I don't know what this is, but I'll try.
Cherry.
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 Pineapple. And so yan, Nexter, please invite them to our channel.
Yeah. Subscribe and hit the push notifications bell so you can stay with our uploads.
And always think KMJL family. Okay, please subscribe and watch our videos. And thank you very much. Okay, bye!
Salamat po sa inyo.